Shauna. When she says she name on the gram, check her out.
Good morning, welcome to our back to the channel. I'm Shauna. Welcome to another vlog. I wake up this morning excited. Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is having an amazing morning, and I hope you all have an amazing day. So today I'm taking a break off my project management position because that has to be my position here in Jamaica, right? I wake up extra early because I am so excited. I got up, took a shower, get myself together, pack my beach bag, still laying in bed waiting for my ex-neighbor to come and pick me up. I say ex-neighbor because she no longer lives here, but she still owns the property. Right before I migrated to America, she brought the property cross way from my mom. I can stand on my veranda. No, actually, I can stand in my mom's room and I could see her front room. That's how close we live. So she still owns the property. She came here a couple days ago and she was like, "Hey, Shauna, you're back." I'm like, "Yeah, girl." And we were there talking, and the conversation lead from one thing to the next, and we came up that we will go to the beach today. I'm so excited. The workmans are still here working, but then we didn't get the chance to become friends, but we were cool because I migrated like a year after she purchased the property. I'm here waiting for her. She said 8 o'clock, right? It's now 8:15 a.m. and she's still not here. The workmans are still here working. I'm taking a day off. Since I've been here, all I've been doing is going to the hardware store, getting stuff done, all that. So today I want to relax, enjoy the beautiful country of Jamaica. I am so excited. I cannot wait to hear our car pull up. I cannot wait to hear our car pull up. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, leave your respectful comments down below. If you don't have one, just zip it. Let's go see what the beach is like. I think we're going to St. Anne's. I think that's what she said. Listen, I don't know. I don't know country. I am not a country person. I am Kingstonian. My grandparents are not Jamaicans. My dad parents are British. So, yeah. I was born in Kingston, Jamaica. So I don't know country. I don't have a country. As a kid, I never used to go to country to play. I have no family in country. So yeah, I'm a town girl. I'm a city girl. I was born at the University of the West Indies. Back then, they used to call that hospital UC. I don't know if that's still the name of it, but it stands for University of the West Indies. Thank you, mother. But yeah, I'm just here until she gets here. Okay, let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Listen, today's a day, okay? It's a good day. I wake up feeling good. It's a good day. beaches, rivers, just because, no? It's right near to Portmore, no? It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. My first time going to St.Mary. The road narrow door.
Try to overtake him again. Around the corner. No, sir. Don't do it. Don't do
The breeze cool door. Oh my god, it's so cool. The breeze is nice.
it. Can't. Other signs from the Oracle.
No, I'm coming to St.Mary already. No. Oracle basically at St.Mary, right? No, I'm coming to St.Mary already.
Alright.
I did. Since it's Oracle Bessa, I've been here before. I take it back. I'm not embarrassed.
You never have no reason for your embarrassed because you would have no other reason to come sit
No.
here just like that.
I came here, so my grandma's sister, she buried in Oracle Bessa.
Okay.
But that was like when I was a kid though.
Oh, well, that's a long time. Yeah.
I just said Oracle Bessa, I was like, nah, I've been here before. Take it back. For some reason, I thought you were going to like St. Anne's. Everybody asked me where I go, must have been I got St. Anne's. So,
No, St. Anne, no, that's I forgot the river. But I know bad the road is now forgot the river there because it have one cut one is a actual dirt track drive up on God river.
okay.
Actual terrible dirt track. This was the last time we go there. It's been probably about 2 years or more when I go there.
The road is so narrow and whiny. You have to blow when you're going round at the corners. Hear the country sound?
Yep.
What insect I make?
You know me not like hear it?
There's a name for it. What's the name for it? It's not Peony Wally.
No. Peony Wally at night time. Them no make no noise. See them have blink. Them battery light up.
Oh, so Peony Wally just have the light. In my old road. If you see the coconut, woo, Papa. Whoa! Hey! Gangster driving.
Follow you when I reach a St. Mary at 12 o'clock today.
Look at the corner. If it's a coconut jelly man, stop here.
Alright. You know before you see that.
What time?
Probably near Castleton Police Station.
Look on the corner.
So it's it.
That's why I'm scared to drive because it's like there's no barrier thingy and then
Yeah,
people
but-
live underneath it. Because look at this one. But not this one right here, but
Most of them not have any. You want to see when the people sit down on a little side that's that pitch when them over there. Yep.
no man, what on the bad on the driving man. You're driving like a man. Because the road narrow.
What are you talking?
Look how narrow the road, gee.
Listen,
Which country your mom live?
St. Elizabeth.
And that's worse, right?
No, actually a highway me take to come on me.
St. Elizabeth?
No, little back road like this. But the last time I went to Montego Bay, which going to Montego Bay, not from the highway but from St. Elizabeth side.
Mhm.
A big road this. Big, when I say big road, this a big road. And this have only banking, this have banking. The road that me drive on don't have no banking.
And that's a bridge for the community.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
I couldn't live over there, so I'm coming across the bridge here.
You gonna cross it?
No man, you man?
You would.
Me?
Yes. If you're
If I'm
driving,
born and grow there. Not for me willingly, no.
if you're driving like this, I
No.
think you would.
No, actually I wouldn't. You know, we're afraid to drive across.
Flatbridge. I am not going over Flatbridge.
The first time
my
I
God.
drive over Flatbridge was when I just get my car. Bear in mind, I just drive for myself, like without no company and stuff. Listen, that first drive there over Flatbridge, I call my sister and say, hey, you gotta stay up on the phone because I'm not gonna drive across it.
You got
By
scared.
myself.
That's a nice car.
I said, I'm not drive across it by myself. She said, really? I said, huh? What happened to Khalil? Oh wow.
That's
wow.
what
Khalil
happened?
on the car, behind the car.
It's a nice car. I said
No, it's Khalil. Oh, you will behave? It's not like how Khalil will behave around there. You
no. You can chop coconut jelly? What do you say? Cause the girl better than you know she can chop up coconut jelly. How much for one? No more jelly water. No more water for drink.
Them are.
That's
With that, most of them are for 350, or we can find some $300 ones.
like for them hard. I can't give it for $300. How much for the what is the name called? That. What is the name again?
Jackfruit?
How much for the jackfruit?
You want a whole one or you want a cookie?
Cut piece. You know what? You know what thinking tour? You don't know what thinking tour. Look one thinking tour. If you guys know thinking tour, it's think. You know what Khalil? What it tastes like? You don't know it. You don't know it. Guys, it's think. Khalil, Junior, come for this. You have straw?
Yeah, right there.
And she has straw over there. Khalil, come for this. Give it to your mommy and come back. I want to give me the best one, okay? Save the best for me. Yeah? Okay, don't open one. No. Oh. Because she just chopped it a bad girl, you know? She just put in her cutlass. My first coconut water, and I've been here for so long. Yeah, the blessing. Look how beautiful Jamaica is. The breeze is nice though. Police again. Oh, whoa. No, the road is so narrow.
I always wonder if it was a case where there were strawberries there.
I was about to say, let's go pick some
The
strawberries.
place named Strawberry Fields. And you know,
Yeah, just like how you have orange field because there's orange there, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So probably there's strawberry. We're gonna see. Probably there's strawberry there.
Beer bush like I this out.
Morning.
Good morning.
Reservation regular day entrance.
Regular day.
Alright, so it's $2,000 per adult, $500 for kids.
Okay. Okay.
Why age group am I back? All adults.
Oh, adult, no. Adult, no adult.
I did not know being 16 makes me an adult. That's very interesting
But still
to
it
know.
work.
No, that's a Jamaica and holiday hotel and every beach.
That's very interesting to know.
3 to 6 and we charge 3 to 12.
Okay.
Alright. Me, I gotta tell you if you go walk at 16 at 12, I work as
These
money.
watermelons look
Work as
good.
charge. Where? And terrible.
This is so beautiful. Oh my god. This is nice. This is so nice. The breeze is fresh. The air that I'm breathing in right now, beautiful. Amazing. Amazing. Love this for me. Look at my country. I love this. Look around.
Hey, what's
This is nice. Hope I gone long time. You couldn't wait tea? Yeah, fish? You run gone? This is nice. The beautiful country of Jamaica. Welcome to Strawberry Beach. The water is so beautiful. The water is given aqua green. The water is given a perfect shade of the color aqua green. Love it. My feet are touching the luxury of sand. My feet are happy. Ooh. give me a bow, ma'am.
You wanted a bell?
Bow.
To do what? No, pull it up. What? The tight set, no pull. Alright.
How he come like a total different pig over Junior?
He is.
No, like him just
He
different,
is
different.
in every single way. He is.
Him different.
Do everything
Him dress
different.
different.
Yup.
Him behave different.
Yep. Every single thing different. Everything. Them phone you can't stay Facebook.
But I got too far in, sir.
You see the string to them.
When I kind of speak at what part?
That's a juky though. What you told me? Boy can't swim in and brother. If you teach him to float.
Him a float.
You eat them now? You see them?
Junior, the water cold?
No.
It's cold.
No, it's not cold actually. No. It's actually warm.
The water is clean. And I love this. I love this for me. I love this for me. Which one is the leg and tie?
Them two.
Or the tie?
Them two there.
Thank you.
I go sit down?
Yes, ma'am. Sean enjoyed the meal. The chicken was horrible. Did not fry properly.
Sea urchins.
Spike door. As much as them blow.
3, 3, 2, 1, go.
I said the two we have it for now.
We're leaving Strawberry Beach. It was a good time. If you're parking for your If you're parking for your Come touch me. I'm gonna ready? Oh, don't yet. Water feel nice. Yeah, Chloe. We are leaving. It was fun though. It was fun, especially because me and Junior won the race. So you know. The winners walk and free to the car, and the losers has to take the bags, the slippers, the empty bottles, all that. It was a good time. Thank you, Lord. It was a good day.
Continue for 800 meters.
One thing though, the road is bad to get here. The road is bad.
As terrible as it is, it's worth it when you go up there.
True. The beach is pretty. The water is amazing. It's feel very cool, light on the hair. Fresh air. You're breathing in fresh air from the ocean. It's worth it. But the road bad.
It's terrible. The road alone is
Look how beautiful it is coming down from the ocean. This is beautiful.
In 500 meters at the roundabout, take the second exit and stay on A3.
Okay. The breeze nice. Oh my god. What more? Why don't you have breeze? The breeze feels so good. Look at this lovely aloe vera I pulled from the ground. Look at this. I'm back in the States. I'm buying aloe vera with chemicals. Look at the good stuff. Right from the earth. Island vibes. No place like home.